What if I told you that the meat on your plate tonight could either slowly damage your kidneys or quietly help them work better? In the United States, more than 37 million adults are living with chronic kidney disease, and the most worrying part is that many of them don't even know it. Kidney damage often develops silently. No pain, no clear warning signs. Just a slow loss of the tiny filters inside your kidneys that clean your blood every single day. And one of the hidden factors that can speed up that damage is the type of meat you eat. Every time you eat protein, your body creates waste that your kidneys must filter out. Some meats create more of that waste, forcing the kidneys to work harder and placing extra pressure on those delicate filters. But here's the encouraging news. Not all meats affect your kidneys the same way. Some are much easier for your body to process and may actually help reduce stress on the kidneys. In today's video, we'll reveal 4 meats that may help support kidney health and reduce unnecessary strain on these vital organs. And be sure to stay until the end, because the final one on this list might surprise you, yet it could be one of the most helpful choices for protecting your kidneys. Number 1. Skinless chicken breast. When it comes to meats that are easier on the kidneys, skinless chicken breast is often one of the first choices recommended in kidney-friendly diets. The reason begins with how your kidneys handle protein. Every time you eat protein, your body breaks part of it down into nitrogen waste that must be filtered from the blood. Those waste products pass through millions of tiny filters inside your kidneys called nephrons. When too much waste is produced, these delicate filters have to work harder, and over time, that extra pressure can slowly weaken kidney function. Lean proteins like skinless chicken breast tend to create less metabolic waste compared to heavier red meats. Because the body can use chicken protein efficiently, fewer leftover byproducts are produced during digestion. This means the kidneys don't have to work as hard to remove toxins from the bloodstream, which may help reduce long-term filtration stress. Clinical nutrition research has also observed that people who replace some red meat with lean poultry often show lower levels of blood urea nitrogen, commonly known as BUN. Doctors use this marker to estimate how much protein waste the kidneys are filtering. Lower BUN levels can suggest that the body is processing protein more efficiently and that the kidneys are under less metabolic strain. Chicken breast also provides several nutrients that support overall health. It is naturally lower in saturated fat than many red meats, which may help protect blood vessels. Healthy circulation is important because the kidneys rely on steady blood flow to filter waste effectively. Chicken also contains vitamin B6 and selenium, nutrients that support metabolism and help protect cells from oxidative stress. However, the benefits of chicken can disappear quickly depending on how it is prepared. Fried chicken, breaded chicken, and many fast food chicken meals often contain large amounts of sodium and unhealthy fats. High sodium intake can raise blood pressure, and high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Processed chicken foods such as nuggets, deli slices, and frozen patties may also contain phosphate additives that are rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream. The safest way to enjoy chicken breast is to keep it simple. Fresh, skinless chicken cooked by baking, steaming, boiling, or light grilling is usually the best option. Flavor can be added with herbs, garlic, pepper, or lemon instead of heavy salt. Prepared this way, skinless chicken breast provides clean, efficient protein that helps nourish the body while placing far less stress on the kidney's delicate filtration system. Number 2. Lean turkey. For older adults who still need enough protein to maintain strength, this can be a surprisingly balanced choice. The kidneys work constantly to filter waste from the bloodstream, and every time protein is eaten, the body creates metabolic byproducts that must be removed. When too much waste builds up, the tiny filtration units inside the kidneys, called nephrons, have to work harder to keep the blood clean. Over time, that extra pressure can slowly strain kidney function. Lean turkey provides high-quality protein that the body can use efficiently. When protein is used efficiently, less leftover nitrogen waste is produced during digestion. That means the kidneys may not have to work as hard filtering toxins from the blood compared with heavier meats that are more difficult to process. Another reason lean turkey is often recommended in kidney-conscious diets is its relatively lower purine content compared with many red meats. Purines are natural compounds found in protein foods, and when the body breaks them down, they turn into uric acid. When uric acid levels rise too high, it can increase inflammation and place additional stress on the kidneys. Choosing lean turkey instead of higher purine meats may help reduce this buildup and support smoother kidney filtration over time. Nutrition research has also suggested that replacing some red meat with lean poultry may help maintain healthier metabolic markers such as uric acid and creatinine, which doctors commonly monitor when evaluating kidney function. While protein intake should always remain balanced, lighter poultry options like turkey are often easier for the body to process. Lean turkey also provides nutrients that support overall health. It contains selenium, an antioxidant mineral that helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules slowly damage tissues throughout the body, including delicate kidney cells. In addition, turkey contains several B vitamins that support energy metabolism and help maintain muscle strength, something that becomes especially important as people age. However, the way turkey is prepared can make a major difference. Many processed turkey products, such as deli slices, smoked turkey, or cured meats, often contain very high levels of sodium. Too much sodium can raise blood pressure and increase fluid retention, both of which place additional strain on the kidneys. Some processed turkey foods may also contain phosphate additives that are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream. The safest way to enjoy lean turkey is to choose fresh, unprocessed portions and cook them simply. Baking, steaming, boiling, or light grilling can help preserve nutrients without adding excess sodium or unhealthy fats. Natural seasonings like garlic, herbs, or lemon can add flavor while keeping the meal kidney-friendly. Prepared this way, lean turkey provides clean protein that helps nourish the body while placing far less stress on the kidney's delicate filtration system. Also, we'd love to know where you're watching from and how old you are. Kidney health can change with age, and sharing this helps us create videos that are more helpful for everyone. Let's move on to the next one. Number 3. White fish. When it comes to lighter proteins that are easier on the kidneys, white fish is often one of the most commonly recommended options. The kidneys work constantly to filter waste from the bloodstream, and every time protein is eaten, the body produces metabolic byproducts that must be removed. When large amounts of waste are created repeatedly, the tiny filtration units inside the kidneys, known as nephrons, have to work harder to keep the blood clean. Over time, that extra pressure can slowly strain kidney function. White fish is generally easier for the body to digest compared with heavier meats. Because the protein breaks down smoothly during digestion, the body may produce less nitrogen waste. This means the kidneys may not have to work as hard removing those byproducts from the blood. For older adults whose kidney function may already be gradually declining, choosing lighter proteins can sometimes help reduce unnecessary filtration stress. Many varieties of whitefish, such as cod, tilapia, and haddock, are also naturally low in saturated fat. Lower saturated fat intake may support healthier blood vessels and circulation. This matters because the kidneys rely on steady blood flow to filter toxins effectively. When blood vessels remain flexible and healthy, oxygen and nutrients can reach kidney tissue more efficiently. Some white fish also provide modest amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are known for helping reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation can slowly damage blood vessels and delicate tissues, including those found in the kidneys. By supporting healthier blood vessels and reducing inflammatory stress, omega-3 fatty acids may contribute to better long-term kidney function. In addition, white fish provides important nutrients such as vitamin B12 and iodine, which support nerve function, metabolism, and overall energy balance. Maintaining proper nutrient intake becomes increasingly important with age, especially for individuals trying to preserve muscle strength while managing kidney health. However, the way fish is prepared can make a major difference. Fried fish, heavily breaded fillets, or packaged frozen fish products often contain high levels of sodium and unhealthy fats. Too much sodium can raise blood pressure, and high blood pressure remains one of the leading contributors to kidney damage. Some processed seafood products may also contain added preservatives that increase the body's mineral load. The safest approach is to choose fresh white fish and prepare it using simple cooking methods such as steaming, baking, or light grilling. Natural flavorings like garlic, herbs, lemon, or olive oil can add taste without adding excess sodium. Prepared this way, white fish provides clean, easily digestible protein that helps nourish the body while placing far less stress on the kidney's delicate filtration system. Number 4. Fresh shrimp. Seafood is often seen as a lighter alternative to heavier meats, but when it comes to kidney health, the details matter. Like all protein foods, once it is eaten, the body breaks part of it down into metabolic waste that must be filtered from the bloodstream. These waste compounds pass through millions of tiny filters inside the kidneys, known as nephrons. When large amounts of metabolic waste build up repeatedly, those delicate filters must work harder to keep the blood clean. Over time, that extra workload can slowly increase stress on kidney tissue. Fresh shrimp provides relatively lean protein that the body can digest efficiently. When protein is processed efficiently, fewer leftover nitrogen compounds are produced during metabolism. This means the kidneys may experience less filtration pressure compared with heavier meats that generate larger amounts of metabolic waste. For older adults who still need adequate protein to maintain muscle strength, choosing lighter seafood options can sometimes make it easier for the body to manage protein intake without overwhelming the kidneys. Shrimp also contains several nutrients that support systems closely connected to kidney function. One of the most important is iodine. Iodine plays a key role in maintaining healthy thyroid function, and thyroid hormones help regulate metabolism, circulation, and energy balance throughout the body. Stable circulation is essential because the kidneys rely on steady blood flow to filter toxins effectively. When blood flow is well maintained, oxygen and nutrients can reach kidney tissues more efficiently. In addition, shrimp provides antioxidant compounds that help defend cells against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules gradually damage tissues throughout the body, including delicate kidney cells. Over long periods of time, this cellular damage may contribute to declining organ function. Antioxidant nutrients help reduce that stress and support healthier cells. Shrimp also provides vitamin B12 and other micronutrients that help maintain red blood cell production and support energy levels. Healthy blood circulation ensures that oxygen is delivered throughout the body, including to the kidneys, which rely heavily on adequate oxygen supply to maintain filtration activity. However, shrimp is also a food that should be eaten in moderation. It naturally contains cholesterol and moderate levels of purines. When purines break down in the body, they form uric acid. If uric acid levels rise too high, crystals can form and increase inflammation, placing additional stress on the kidneys. Another concern is that many commercial shrimp products, such as salted, dried, or heavily seasoned shrimp, can contain extremely high amounts of sodium. For this reason, preparation becomes very important. The safest way to include shrimp in a kidney-conscious diet is to choose fresh shrimp and cook it using simple methods such as boiling, steaming, or light grilling. Natural flavors like garlic, herbs, or lemon can enhance taste without adding excess sodium. When eaten occasionally and prepared carefully, fresh shrimp can provide valuable nutrients while helping reduce unnecessary stress on the kidney's delicate filtration system. Taking care of your kidneys is not only about avoiding the foods that may harm them. It's also about choosing the right foods that help your body work more efficiently every day. As we discussed today, some protein choices can place far less strain on your kidneys than others. Skinless chicken breast provides clean, efficient protein that creates less metabolic waste. Lean turkey can help support muscle strength while producing fewer byproducts for the kidneys to filter. White fish offers a lighter protein that is easier to digest and may support healthy circulation. And fresh shrimp, when eaten in moderation, can still provide valuable nutrients without overwhelming the kidneys. The key message is simple. It's not about eating more meat, but about choosing cleaner protein sources and preparing them in healthier ways. Small daily food choices can slowly reduce the workload placed on your kidneys and help protect these vital organs over time. If you found this video helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps more people learn simple ways to support their kidney health naturally. And if you have questions, experiences, or tips that have helped you take better care of your kidneys, feel free to share them in the comments below. Your kidneys work quietly for you every single day. Taking care of them today can make a real difference for your health in the years ahead.